Class of 2026, march on!
Aujourd'hui est un jour pour célébrer leur réussite et leur accomplissement, ainsi que leur début de carrière dans la flotte.
Class of 2026, stand at ease. Attention!
Class of 2026, je suis pleine de fierté pour vous autres. It has been an absolute pleasure to witness your journey over the course of the last 4 years.
You are not only ready, you are exceptional.
We wish you all the success there is to have in this wonderful organization that is the Canadian Coast Guard. Félicitations, congratulations, all the best.
It is now time to call upon the graduating officer cadets to the stage so as to receive their bachelor's degree, diploma, and their certificate in their respective field of competency.
Well, big congratulations to the graduates of the Coast Guard Academy graduation class of 2026. It's a big day for all of you. You put in a lot of work, 4 hard years of effort, dedication to reach this milestone. A big congratulations from me and all the leadership and members of the Coast Guard. Nous vous souhaitons une grande carrière avec les gardes côtières et bravo Zulu à vous tous.